Hi everyone. My slides are perhaps probably somewhere. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Fred Sitbon. I'm a deputy mayor, vice mayor of a town called Asnières-sur-Seine. So it's a city of 90,000 citizens around Paris, just next to Paris, by the way. And I would like to tell you the mayor view we have for a connected city. So first of all, what is my city? So as I told you, my city is 90,000. I will go there. I think it's better. 90,000 citizens. There is a metro of Paris, so Metro 13. There is a line of 15. There is a tramway since 2019. There is a train to Paris La Défense and Asnières-sur-Seine to Paris Saint-Lazare in 5 minutes. So we are very just next to Paris. And what it is good is that we have a city in strong progression. The city has strong progression. Why? Because this transportation allows us to take all the different citizens from Paris, Levallois, and others, and so on, with lots of different enterprise like Port, Johnson, Xerox, Acer, Kone, Procter & Gamble. We have also manufacturing of Louis Vuitton, which is pretty interesting. But when you have a city in strong progression, what you want is really to be something to know better your city and to make actions about your cities. And so you have to have proactive and reactive approach, of course, because you need to have a connected city, first of all. And by the way, you need to be reactive, proactive, and also invent yourself to be able to be reacted, of course, but to increase the quality of life of every people. So with that, we have in our mind this kind of elements. So it was very complex in terms of smart city. A city in strong progression need to be connected. Before, when I was elected in 2014, and I've been elected in 2020, thanks to Smart City, by the way. When I was elected in 2014, I had 6 controllers in the roads, 6 controllers in clean service, 6 controllers in the different aspects, and 23 policemen. And when you have 90,000 citizens, how to make with 6 controllers? You need to be aware about what's going on in all the cities. That's why, in terms of vision, we wanted to have all this kind of vision. So you need to check about police, about cities. You wanted to check about a social network, to have a city portal, a city workforce, to have a dashboard, to have smart transportation, about waste management, and so on. I was a little lost. And so about that, we made at the end 6 pillars. And these 6 pillars has been made, it was our vision, and now it's in place in Asnières thanks to our partners. So we first wanted to be a connected city. So to be a connected city is a city where you are able to really understand your people, understand your citizens. So we didn't want to be our town hall to be an ivory tower. It's not an ivory tower, it's now a town hall where you can collaborate with the mayor, with the municipality, and so on. So for that, we launched a smartphone applications. As you can see, it's citizen service. And this smartphone application called Asnières, you see here. So the solution is on Azure and Power BI. But Asnières is a smartphone application. When you have a problem, you click on the problem you want, a road problem, a light problem, a clean problem. You take a picture of your problem. There is a geolocalization. You click on send, and then it goes directly to my service in the cities. And you have a follow-up of that. And so you have an increase of satisfaction because the problem is fixed in a few hours later. So it's a very good thing. And at the end, Asnières, now we are version 8 or 9 next week, so 8 at this time. We have all events about our cities. If you want to create an ID with passport and so on, a building permit is here, tourism is here. So a very good collaboration between citizens and us. Second, we want to be green, a green city. The green city means sustainability is very important for us. Because if you want to be green, it's good for the earth, but also it's an obligation at the end for the European Union. So we have funds from the European Union, And thanks to that, and thanks for the region, we launched an RFP. And the RFP for projet de performance énergétique, so it's an energy performance plan in 8 years, and we spent 8.9 million euros. And the RFP has been won by Microsoft from the Microsoft partners, because they proposed me not only to change normal light to LED light, because it was a good thing, it's minus 40% of energy, but also it allows us now in Asnières, you see it's a LED light. When you have a LED light, it's not a light only, it's a box. And in the box you can put some sensor inside. And so I have put sensor for pollution, sensor for parking, sensor for traffic, sensor for, you know, a counter for bicycle, for road, and so on. And then it was a success. And last but not least, of course, I developed the smart cities with AI, artificial intelligence, with the CCTVs, and also the traffic. I will just show you in a minute. So here's the architecture we have now in Asnières-sur-Seine. So we have a middleware at the center, and this middleware allows us really to be able to communicate with all the different silos we have in the cities. So the first silos, of course, is for citizens. So this is a NeoCity, so it's Asnières-sur-Seine, Asnières, so the smartphone application, which is a link, interaction with the citizen. Then we have the interaction with, of course, the police, with the CCTVs, and last but not least, the sustainability with the air quality, the bicycle, to be able for me to know where to invest, why to invest, and how to invest, and to have a clean budget, an interaction between the road, the technical service, and all the different elements around us. At the end, the solution is real life. Huh? It's working very good for now 2 years. This is from Asnières, so before deployment, we wanted to analyze the existing, and at the end, we have more than 25,000 cases fixed from cleanness to urban object, and it's really clear citizen satisfactions. Data is in the cloud, but moreover, it allows me, as a vice mayor, to have an increased satisfaction to citizens. So it's a very, very good thing. I know where is good, where is bad, where to optimize in terms of my resources. So this is what we have after your smartphone as a citizen. Here in our town hall, we have all the different problems. We click on the problem, and we have already the problem, and we fix it automatically. We have a counter for bicycle also, because we wanted to deploy bicycle and traffic. So we have AI, artificial intelligence, which allows us to count number of bicycle per road to see if the road needs to invest, if we need to invest on this road because there is lots of bicycle. As a result, I've got some road with 10,000 bicycle, so I invest it, and others, 3 bicycle, I don't invest it. And when the opposition said to me, hey, Mr. Sitbon, shame, you invest on this road, not this road. No, there is 3 bicycle here, 10,000 bicycle here, so I have a proof, and I know better my city. And I have now not 6 controllers, I have 90,000 controllers in my cities. This is the solution of the bicycle. So you see that I have an average for the traffic around my cities. My city is here. I have got a counter of bicycle per street I want. Here we can see that in Grande Rue Charles de Gaulle we have 15,668 bicycle. And by the way, the light, which is the first thing of everything, the light has bring value, of course. It has reduced the consumption of energy. We have the same for water. I don't have the time to explain for the water, but we have made the same for water. But with the light, it brings visibility and security on roads. We have put the LED light, and with the LED light, it's white light, so we reduce by 40% the time of lux. And when it is intelligent, it becomes then connected, and when it's connected, it's minus 80% of consumption of energy. You see, this is my city. Every blue point is a connected light, can be a connected light. And at the end, I've got a dashboard. In this dashboard, I've got all data I want for quality of air, data per streets, data for mobility, predictive area, what tomorrow will be, what will be in 1 month, in 1 week, in 1 year, for me to see the budget investments. And at the end, this is the data I have. So for example, here, in orange, you have 2 wheels here. In pink, you have trucks and buses. In dark blue, you have walkers, citizens. And in blue, light blue, you have cars. And you can select the streets you want, and per street, the elements are different. This is my data. This is our own data. So this is, you can export it. And at the end, I was able to take the decision I wanted really to make that happen. So I don't have time to make the video, but I'm ready to share our smart city experience and vision with all of you. With that, I thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.